Hello, subscribers. How are you all? Hope you all are amazing and fantastic. Today, I am going to talk about discipline. What is discipline? How it's gonna help us to build our personality, and how it's going to play a huge role in whatever things we make in our life. So, firstly, talking about discipline is very important because it's an absolute good feature that every human being should possess. So, talking about discipline, everything we do should go smoothly and effortlessly. So, that will be going to very good when we do things as per our planning. So, discipline is something which pushes us to do the things that we have planned. Discipline is very important when we are dreaming a very big dream. Discipline is something that always pats you to do and to get up and do your best. So whenever you are decided to do something, doing it anyway, any which way, is discipline. If you have planned to do something in next few hours, at that point of time you should do it anyway. If you have planned for next 1 hour to do something, that something that you have planned should be done. So whenever you do uh, planning, it should be properly implemented. That is what discipline is. And from the very beginning, we are not totally disciplined. As we grow up, we need to you know inculcate in our mind that discipline is very important, and it makes us uh, a very organized person. And also the the organized planning and organized implementation of our planning will definitely lead to success, because whatever we planned is implemented properly. So your ultimate aim or objective will be realized. So whenever you are on the track of something to do, so firstly develop the discipline in yourself. And how to development means, firstly what you have to do, write on the paper and plan for it. Plan for 1 day, absolutely follow it. No, and no excuses to you, because excuses are thousand, but you should find that one thing to make it. So don't make excuses, plan for things, and follow your plan and develop it. Day by day you will develop it, and at the end you will get what you want. So this is the thing that I wanted to tell you today. So discipline is very, very important to everyone. To be organized, it is very important. Some people are not organized or planned for something. They get it, but it is their nature. If you don't get things in your way, do plan and also implement it properly, and believe in disciplined people, and believe in the discipline, you will definitely achieve what you have dreamt of. So this is the thing. I hope you all are enjoyed this topic, and also you can make any comments on my YouTube channel. I will see them and make videos on your requests. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to Sumedha Patnam. Thank you.